In this video, I am going to show you how to do a pass slipped stitch over decrease. You will normally see this written as PSSO. You would start by taking your right needle and then you would insert that into the first stitch on the left needle purlwise and then slip that right off. This is going to be your slipped stitch that you will pass over. Then you will knit the second stitch and then you will take that first stitch and you will pass it over that knitted stitch. Again, you would slip the next stitch, knit the next stitch, and then pass that one over. This creates kind of a left leaning stitch decrease. You are decreasing, and some patterns will call for that because they want it to have a certain look. So again, you would slip, you would knit the next one, and then you would pass that over. Once again, I have 20 stitches on here, and when we get to the end, we should have 10. And then we just pass that over. Then you would slip the next one, knit that one, the following one, slip that over, slip, knit, pass over. So slip, knit, pass over. And I know the abbreviation is PSSO, but it means to pass that slipped stitch over. Again, slip, knit, and pass over. And then we're at the last two, slip, knit, and then pass over. And now you'll see how it looks like I've decreased. And then all the stitches are kind of leaning a little more towards the left. And that will just create a really nice pattern at the top of a hat or within a pattern if you're using maybe yarn overs in between and you don't really want to decrease, but this is a decrease stitch. And it turns out beautiful. And this is how you do a pass slip stitch over. The items in this video are linked in the description. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.